Hey people, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Like you already know, it's a DIY channel, so we're going to be making a DIY 2 by 4 closure template. So if you are interested, please keep watching. If you want to ventilate and you don't have the ready-made closure at home, just like this one, you can as well make yours if you have a Swiss lace in the house. So I'll be working with this 4 inches sheet of paper. So I'll be marking out 1 inch on each side, so we'll be left with 2 inches. It's a 2 by 4 inches Swiss lace, so we need our 2 inches. I'm going to do the same thing up here. I will take out 1 inch on both sides, so we are left with 2 inches at the center. I'm going to rule that. The same thing on the other side too. So next we are going to make sure that we have 2 inches because it is a 2 by 4 inches closure template. So I'm satisfied now, it is 2 inches there. So we are taking our 4 inches length. There we have our 4 inches. We're going to add half an inch extra for the sewing allowance. And then extra 1 inch, just extra lace, just like this one, this extra lace after ventilating. So you can make it 2, you can make it half an inch, just as you like. At the end of the day, after ventilating, you cut it off, so it's nothing special. We're also going to take half an inch by the side again, our sewing allowance for the side. We repeat that on the other side too. Half an inch sewing allowance. So when we cut out our lace, we're going to fold it by half an inch and we'll sew that. So I'm going to rule that out also. So we're going to come down by an inch and give that a slight curve. To get that curve on our lace closure, you step down by 1 inch and give it a slight curve, just like that. We'll repeat the same thing on the other side. You come down by 1 inch and give it a slight curve. You can leave it as it is and just go straight to cut it out as a square or whatever shape you like. There is no rule to your closure template. and you cut it out. So guys, if you are still here, please go ahead and subscribe if you are not subscribed yet, and be part of this family. Also, please like and share my videos to anyone that might be interested, and don't forget to leave your notification bell on so that whenever I upload a new DIY video, you will be notified. Thank you so much. And after cutting out this template, you place it on your Swiss lace and you cut that out. You can keep this and use it as many times as possible. This can also the same measurement method applies to any other size of closure that you might want to make. Your 4x4, your 2x6, your 6x6, your 7x7, any inches that you like, you apply the same thing, just increase it by the number of inches that you want. So guys, thank you for watching and take care of yourselves. See you in my next video. Bye.